Do you heat your home with oil? If you're a Canadian homeowner and your household income qualifies as median or below, you'll be interested in this program, which helps you make the switch from oil heating to heat pump. The Government of Canada is providing an advance payment of up to $10,000, or even up to $15,000, and a one-time payment of $250, depending on where you live, to help you with the cost of replacing your oil heating system by purchasing and installing a new heat pump for your home. A heat pump is a very efficient and economical way to heat and cool your home for year-round comfort. It runs on electricity and uses the heat that is already in the environment to heat or cool your home. In cold weather, it extracts heat from the outside air and moves it inside. In hot weather, it extracts the heat from inside your home to the air outside. You might not know this, but you already have a heat pump in your home, your fridge. It keeps your food cool by using a heat pump that extracts the warm air from inside the fridge to keep the temperature cool. Heat pumps are a proven and reliable technology and are adapted and tested for Canada's colder climate. Funding offered through the Oil to Heat Pump Affordability Program covers not only the heat pump, but also the electrical panel work and oil tank removal. An oil-fired furnace is very costly to run. Switching to a heat pump, however, will help households save money on their monthly energy bills. Oil furnaces generate tons of CO2 and other polluting particles. So, saving money on energy bills is also a smart choice for the future of the planet. Simply go to the website canada.ca/heatpumpgrant, check your eligibility, and see how you can apply.